Hey guys! Today we'll go over the Sketchbox for July. On the front of this month's box is artwork from Miriam Capera, also known as Dark Star Creations. She created this wonderful work of art with oil pastels we received in the box for March. Make sure you check out her YouTube channel as well as her Instagram page. The first item we have is Sketchbox Signature Colored Pencil Set. It's a customized set with 12 colors that are highly pigmented and formulated for easy blending and scratch-free application. Next we have the Sharpener Tub Sharpener. I'm always losing my pencil sharpener, so it's great to have another one. Here we have the Derwent Brush Eraser. I'm looking forward to seeing if this really works. These are Derwent Chroma Flow pencils in blush pink and magenta. I've had a recent good experience with Derwent colored pencils, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. The next two are Caran d'Ache Luminance Pencils. The colors I have are Anthraquino Carmine and Herculaneum Red. These pencils are light fast and wax based. A Staedtler Blender Pencil. It's wax based and helps blend colors. The postcard for the month is by Angelita Martinez. She did an awesome job on this tiger. Make sure you visit her on Instagram. Sketchbox sticker. Last, we have Royal Talon's Tone Paper Pad. The pages are in mystical blue and industrial gray. This pad contains 20 sheets and was customized for Sketchbox. Now, it's time to swatch and experiment. Right away, I went straight for the Derwent colored pencils. For those of you who don't know, I'm not very fond of using colored pencils for artwork. I primarily use them for sketching or adding a little bit of color to a monochromatic piece. But I received Derwent colored pencils last month from Art Snacks, and I was really impressed. Those pencils were oil-based, just like the ones I'm using now from Sketchbox. They go on very smooth and creamy, and I feel like I don't have to work too hard with them. The same can't be said for the Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils. I could feel the difference right away between those pencils and the oil-based Derwent ones. The Caran d'Ache pencils seemed to create a lot of friction and made these scratchy sounds against the paper, and it seemed like I had to work harder to make these work. I'm surprised these pencils cost $5.40. They're more expensive than the Derwent Chroma pencils that I think are better. So now I'm blending all four of these colored pencils together. The Derwent pencils seem to blend great on their own. I'm not sure what to make of the Staedtler Blender pencil, but it seems like it doesn't blend. It looks like it scrapes the colored pencil to make it look blended. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to work, but that's what it looked like to me. I'm swatching the Sketchbox colored pencil set. These colors don't have any names, but they're very vibrant. I believe these pencils are wax-based because they're going on the paper the same way as the Caran d'Ache pencils. Testing out the Derwent pencil eraser. I apply color lightly and heavily. The pencil eraser does a great job completely erasing the lightly applied colored pencil. I'm doing a simple drawing of a critter in a cup. In a previous video, I mentioned how much using colored pencils hurt my hands, and someone suggested I can prevent that by applying the colors in light multiple layers. So that's what I'm doing here, but I realize I don't have the patience for that. Using this technique requires a lot of patience, and for me, practice. I found a video by a YouTuber called Unmask Art, and he did a demonstration on different layering techniques for colored pencils. One point he made that stood out was that you shouldn't press so hard that you hurt your hand. So that's telling me I need to improve my technique. I'm going to practice his blending techniques, and if you're interested in seeing his layering video, I'll link that in the description. I swatched and drew something on the mystical blue paper, and I've started the same thing on the industrial gray. I just wanted to see what the colored pencils would look like on two different toned papers. I actually like both. Anyway, you guys, this month's box was pretty good. I really liked the Derwent pencils, the toned paper, and the pencil sharpener. Thanks for stopping by, Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!